Here at Yorkshire Dales Millennium Trust, we're doing our very best to help protect this wonderful part of the world for future generations. Yorkshire Dales are a very special part of the world. They're there for everybody. We need to do something now before these wonderful places are lost forever. That's why we're asking everybody to support the Haytime appeal.
The thing about hay meadows is historically they've just always been there. There never was fertiliser to put on the land, so they just quietly evolved for hundreds of years, and more species of plants grew within them, plants evolved within them, and that's why we get this sort of huge diversity of plant life within a meadow. To produce more out of the meadow, the farmer started chucking fertiliser on it, and yes, that made the grasses grow more, but it knocked the plants down. The grasses thrived and they killed off the plants.
The last 60 years we've lost over 98% of the hay meadows in the UK, and these are really important habitats for wildlife, especially in the Yorkshire Dales, because a hay meadow has a variety of different species. They're teeming with life, but also it's part of our heritage as well.
What we're trying to do with the Haytime appeal is raise money that will enable YDMT to coordinate restoration schemes. We've got to keep what we've got and we've got to restore more. There's time now to get them back to being flower-rich meadows, get the wildlife back in, get the landscape back to as it was. That costs money, so that's what we're trying to do through the Haytime appeal. We bring seed on from the remaining good meadows and we put it on degraded meadows that have lost some of the flowers through fertiliser inputs and so on. And that's what we do, and we've been successful doing that since 2006, but there's lots more to be done. There's still time, but we need to do that in the next few years.
The Dales are quite unique, and they've got to stay unique, otherwise they're going to be lost forever. And we need to do our bit right now. You can help by logging on to www.ydmt.org/Haytime, and please support the Haytime appeal.